Hello to all my friends out there. So yesterday I was supposed to eat 3 meals. I literally got so full I could not eat one single thing. It's about 5 o'clock now and I'm still not hungry. I don't know what had me so full. I had a little burrito and I think it was a chicken sandwich and some top ramen. Well, anyway, so I got so full, I cannot eat another meal. I cannot do it. So now I'm having a meal. So I have a little black tea, and I made weak black tea. You know, if it's really icy cold, I don't need sugar or lemon. These little cups are great. I got them at Dollar Tree. Okay, so I thought to myself, well, what happened here? How did you get so full? Well, I think what happened is it was just so many calories, you know, I just got full. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to make a meal that is not so high in calories because I think I'm on to something here. The three meals you get full and you're not hungry. You don't gobble and you don't overeat because you're not hungry. Okay, this is great tuna. I'm gonna buy some more, 99 cents only. So I'm making a tuna salad. So what I did was I bought 5 of these and then I was pleasantly surprised because the tuna is really good. So I will buy at least 5 more of these, maybe more. I like 20 cans of tuna. That's one thing I do like to stockpile. So now I'll just make so I squeezed all the liquid out and then I rinsed it with water and squeezed it out a couple times, and your tuna is going to be a whole lot better. This would also make a great tuna sandwich. But I'm having a tuna salad, you know, to avoid getting so full. That was not good. I was really, really full. Okay, and then I have a little lemon pepper. And then I'll have a few chives. I have them, why not? You know, low-calorie food is not bad if it's something you like. Okay, so I have a little good mustard. Can't stand cheap mustard. I just can't stand it. It's terrible to me. I didn't bring out my relish. Got time for some new. I buy this at Dollar Tree and they give you a lot for $1. I eat a lot of pickles, and pickles are a good acidic food. So today, okay, you know, I was working around on the eBay business because if you work on it a little bit each day, it goes a lot better. A lot better. Tomorrow is Dollar Day. Okay, so after I get done here, I have a lot of work to do to get ready still for Easter. Because I'm doing a little bit in advance because, you know, my son's girlfriend has to work. She's a really hard worker. She's not very old either. She's only about 30. And, you know, my son is a tax accountant, and she managed to work every single day as well, and it's incredibly stressful. And no acting off during tax time, just she was like the perfect girlfriend. So that made me happy because, if you're not related to a tax accountant, you cannot imagine how stressful and exhausting it is. Well, it makes sense if you think about it. People's lives are dependent on you. You've got to keep them in one piece financially. It's a very stressful job. It's stressful for them too because, you know, taxes have to be paid. But it's over now, thank heavens. So see how yummy my tuna looks? Okay, so I started this thing, you know, with the veggies on my salad. 3 different veggies. I had tomatoes, cucumbers, and lettuce. This time I have lettuce, carrots, and radishes. This is a good combination if you want, you know, a good combination of veggies for your salad. This is a good one, and it's, if you switch your, and then I have some green onions. If you switch your veggies up a little bit, it's more nutritious than if you have the same salad all the time. So, the next salad I'm probably going to buy is going to be one of those salad kits because, you know, we want a nice salad for Easter. Nothing expensive, just, it'll probably be a salad kit and, you know, whatever I decide to throw on it. And this year I think we're going to have some salmon. Salmon is good. And then, you know, I will have a little cheese on my salad. Cheese. Just 1 piece. It's going to up my nutrition on my salad a lot. I don't mind low carb food. I really don't. But I hate low nutrition food. First of all, you feel lousy after you eat it. So why should you eat it? You know? So this is good. I have my protein. I have my veggies. I don't have much fruit because I'm in no mood to eat it, and I don't have too much carbs. I think the carbs that I ate yesterday was one of the things that had me so full. I mean, I was stuffed. I can really recommend those sandwiches from Dollar Tree. I really can. You won't starve. You won't be hungry all the time if you... Oh, I want to mention, I bought the big candle at Walmart and the 2 little ones at Dollar Tree. These are nice. You know, I had them around on my decorations for Easter. That's part of what's going on here is I'm getting, you know, the apartment fixed up. You know, we want to have like a civilized little party. And so this time I bought shredded lettuce. This is good if you should want tacos or something like that, or on sandwiches. This stuff doesn't last as long as the salad mix. The salad mix is like kale, you know, that kind of stuff. Okay, so I have enough lettuce. And this is only 2 radishes. Radishes go forever. So the storytelling is going good. I told my son, you know, it was really amazing to me that I had as many views as I did on the storytelling. And I want to encourage you guys to try and earn a little extra money. I mean, even 1 or 2. One time I had this job. My son was in private school. And I worked at a bakery, and I earned $189 extra. My ex-husband had to babysit, which was fine. He liked being in my house as long as I wasn't in it. But, okay, and I have some, but I paid all my bills off in like 6 months, and it was only less than $400. So it just was a long time ago. And I suffered a lot, too, to earn that. But this is not, you know, the eBay is not suffering. You know, when I worked in the bakery, first of all, the people were really, really nice, so that helped. But it was, the bakeries back then would close fairly late. And then, you know, we would have to clean and straighten up the whole bakery because bakeries open really early in the morning, like 6 o'clock. People rolled in. They don't have the good bakeries. Well, it requires a really good baker. I worked at Howard's Bakery. And then this is good. This is good salad dressing, and they were on sale for $1, so I wisely bought 6. So this is going to last me until my next. I'm still trying to do the 3-meal thing, but if I get so incredibly stuffed I can't go on, I'm just not going to have 3 meals. So now I have to go and do housework. I have some housework to do, and I have some party preparations to do, and I'm sure you guys do too, and God bless you all.